How to stake Terra Luna Classic. The billion-dollar biological system Terra Luna breakdown in May 2022 may have been the best digital money implosion in the business's set of experiences. The worth of Luna, Terra's local token intended to help the cost of UST, the most significant algorithmic stable coin on the planet. Likewise, nearly arrived at zero in a solitary week. Before the emergency, UST and LUNA were two of the prime 10 digital forms of money. During the current period, everyone is trying to benefit from Luna's Classic, as one should. But at the same time, they don't even know how to stake Luna Classic. If you are one of those people, don't worry. We will take you through the simple steps on how to stake Terra Luna Classic. Now, let's take a look at how you would stake LUNC. After the V22 update, around 6 billion LUNC tokens were marked. Assuming that you are hoping to stake your LUNC, just follow these simple steps. Go to Terra Station. Associate your Terra wallet by tapping on the interface button on the right half of the site. Pick any of the few validators referenced on the stake page. Whenever you have picked your validator, click on Agent to proceed. Type the quantity of LUNC that you might want to stake. Affirm the exchange by tapping on the Submit button. It is likewise promoted by some that it is safer and better to stake LUNC by assigning it to more modest validators. The new V22 update of LUNC permits clients to get a piece of what they lost in the May cache. The accident was one of the most exceedingly terrible, as a great many clients lost their life reserve funds in a range of a couple of days. It is a disputable inquiry regarding whether Luna will return to its old structure in full power. I figure the local area ought to hang tight and watch for that. The send-off of the validator well affected the market. The money is up by over 44% over the most recent 7 days. The presentation of the validator isn't just a complete outcome concerning cost. Great outcomes can likewise be seen via virtual entertainment. The number LUNC is as of now moving with more than 24,000 tweets. So it is protected to express the local area is excited about the new turns of events. There are two techniques to make compensations with LUNC. Either in a real sense, marking through being a validator delegate by executing a validator hub and being one of the main 100 in the length of designated LUNC, or by entrusting LUNC to one of such validators. Appointing LUNC is very clear and can be achieved right away in the wallet. For explicit directions, this guide is exceptionally useful. Would it be a good idea for you to, in any case, put resources into Terra Luna Exemplary at this point? The fruitful arrangement of the validator and the subsequent positive impacts show that the Terra Luna people group is hopeful and ready to keep on aiding LUNC DAO. The responsibility shown has permitted the coin to develop quickly throughout recent months. This win ought to likewise be completed before long and guarantee an upsurge in the worth of the coin. What are the necessities of making Luna? It is a colossal obligation to run a validator, so marking through designating your Luna is the simplest. As a delegator, there is no base necessity to stake Luna. Is there a gamble to stake Luna? The Terra is a stablecoin convention, yet Luna doesn't have the soundness properties of the Terra coins, which it collateralizes. On the off chance that you stake Luna, you cannot approach it for something like 21 days, as they will be locked. Validators must report conversion scale value precisely and keep a strong engineering, and the individuals who fail to meet expectations risk being cut a little rate. To limit this gamble as a delegator, you ought to divide huge stakes among a few trustworthy validators and hold your representatives under control. What do you think about the Luna Classic? Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Make sure to watch the Luna Classic price prediction video on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and come back for more videos like this one.